Okay, so simplify fully these two expressions. So it says here that part A is 3x to the power half, all to the power 4. Now trust me, this is dead easy. When you got power outside, you just literally stick it on. So it'd be 3 to the power 4 times x to the power half times 4. If they already have powers, just, you know, put it next to it, because you're just sticking on the power 4 to both of these terms. So 3 to the power 4 on your calculator is 81. Half times 4 is 2, so it just becomes x squared. Easy stuff. Okay, as for part B now. So we got 2y to the power 7 times all of this term to negative 2 over 3y. Now what I just simply do is that I'm just firstly going to open up the bracket. So we're going to have 4 to negative 2 and then y to negative 2. And then just have a think. Because we're multiplying and dividing, we can just do everything head on at once. So my advice is, if you got numbers first, work with numbers. So we've got 2 times 4 to negative 2 over 3. You can put this in your calculator like this, and it should give you 1 over 24. Done. As for the y terms, you got y to the 7 times y to negative 2. These two combined will give us y to the 5, because when you're multiplying, you add the powers. So 7 plus minus 2 is 5. And when you divide by the last y at the bottom, you just get 4 left. So you got y to the power 4. And just combine this together, and you get y to the power 4 over 24.